Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As y'all boys can see, we got the hood pop. We got to clean this dirty intake, man. As y'all boys can see, the intake is a little dirty. Let me bring the light over so y'all can see. Got bugs and everything in there, man. So, finna clean the intake up, man. And y'all boys just watch me clean the intake. Then when we done, go on a little POV drive. Got the kit right here. So, I'm gonna get this bad boy off, get it cleaned up, man. And I'm gonna give y'all a little step by step how you do it, man. So just stay tuned. Alright, y'all boys, we got the flathead to take the clamp out right here. We got our K&N recharge kit to clean the filter. So we're gonna go and get started, man. Got my little light right here, so we're gonna go and loosen this bad boy up, man. Alright, y'all boys, we got the filter off. So what we gonna do, y'all see how dirty it is. Look at that, man. All on the inside. You're gonna spray both sides in and out, man. You're gonna let the cleaner sit for 10 minutes, man. So we got the cleaner right here. We're gonna let this sit for 10 minutes, spray in and outside. Get back with y'all. Alright, y'all boys, as y'all can see, the intake look a lot more cleaner now. We got it cleaned and rinsed, as y'all can look up in there. So all we gotta do now is let it dry, and then we'll oil it down. Yeah, man, this gonna help a lot more with the car breathing, man. Make sure y'all go ahead clean y'all intake, man. What to do, YouTube? Leaving the gym right now. It's the next day from me putting the intake back on from cleaning it, man. That bit made a slightly little difference, man. That bit breathing better. But I'm finna get y'all this little POV, man, that y'all boys can see. It's super cold outside. Y'all see 23 degrees. I ain't cracking the windows, man. It's too cold. Finna get y'all this POV though. And yo, man, with the intake all cleaned up. Y'all might not be able to see it, man, but it's a little flurries coming down, man. But this be the best time to dry your car, boy. I swear to God, that cold weather in them humidity, boy. Breathing, boy. God damn, that boy turning wide as fuck. That boy down about to hit my ass. Been through here. Doing? Y'all seen that? Boy just pulled out in front of me, twin. Like you ain't see that big purple motherfucker coming through. Yo, bro, tripping, man. the window down for y'all. Just did one pull, man. Give y'all a little sound, man. Goodness gracious. We're gonna roll both on down, man. Just a little crack. Yeah, it's too cold for that. Alright, y'all boys, just gonna wrap this one up for the day, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hype the video too, man. Helps out a lot. Make sure y'all boys follow the IG too, man. Almost to 10K. I'm gonna have it on the screen down here somewhere, right here, man. Make sure y'all boys follow me. Y'all want to see behind the scenes of the car and all the other stuff, man. So look closer detailer and first look on IG. So everything come out first on IG. All news and all that, man. So yeah, just follow your boy. And yeah, man, catch y'all boys in the next one, man. That mirror right there clean. Catch y'all boys in the next one, man.